Is it fine? सबका अच्छा गया? Very good. I hope the same will be do further. Okay. Now what we are going to do today? We are going to start new topic. Okay. So already what we have done? We have done in our next topic is expanded format, compact form. Okay. So today we are going to do how to show 3 digits number on abacus. 2-digit number already we have represented on abacus. How to represent 2-digit numbers on abacus, that already we have done in chapter 1. So how to represent 3-digit number on abacus is very simple, same as 2-digit number. Okay. So suppose I am giving you one example. Suppose one number is given 3, 4, 6. Now what is the number 3, 4, 6? But are we reading number like this? 3, 4, 6 क्या नंबर को हम ऐसे रीड करते हैं 3, 4, 6? Yes or no? No? Then how do we read this number? We read this number as, first we write its place value. So now how do we read this number? We read this number as 346. 346. Now if we have to represent this number on abacus, if we have to, so how many places are there? Ones, tens and hundreds. So in abacus also there will be 3 parts. One is for ones place. So I am writing on the top ones, tens and hundred. Okay. So the number that we have to represent on the abacus is 346. So I am writing here 6, 4 and 3. So what is the place value of 6? Ones. The place value of 6 is 1. So we have to place 6 beads on ones place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because the ones place digit is 6. So we have to place 6 beads on ones place. Now what is the next number? Next number is 4. And its place value is tens. So how many beads you have to place at tens place? 4. Okay, very simple. Now the last number 100 place, and the digit at 100 place is 3. That means here we have to make 3 beads. In this way we draw beads on the abacus, and if beads are given, then we form a number. Very simple topic it is. Okay. Now take out your notebook and your book first from your bag. I hope all of you have already taken. And so open new page. Open new page and start writing with me. आपको मेरे साथ लिखना है. Write self practice on new page. Write self practice 2F, and today's date also. Today's date also you have to write 2F first. And what is the question? Count the number of beads. Count the number of beads at each place and write the number shown by the spike abacus. Okay. So beads are given on the abacus. Okay. In first question, beads are given on the abacus. So first we have to count the number of beads and we have to write the number. Very simple question. So write first. Question number 1. Question number 1. Count the number of beads. Count the given on page number 35. Okay. The questions that we are doing is given on page number 35. Count the number of beads at each place. At each place. And write the number. And write the number. The number way you can do. Okay. So my board is very big, so I can draw 2 or 3. So starting from A, start drawing the abacus. Let's see A is visible or not. Yes. Now see, draw the first abacus. Very simple, and make 3 boxes. Okay, in this way. Now here write H, T and O. B, H, T and O. C, H, T and O. D, H, T and O. Okay. Now first we will solve these 4 abacus. Okay. First we will solve A, B, C and D. Now see. Start doing A. We start writing from 1's digit. So count the number of digits at 1's place. How many beads? Only 1. So write here 1. Beads at 10's place is also 1. And beads at 100 place is 2. So which number is formed? 211. Now see the next B. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So digit beads at 10's place is 8. Beads at 10's place is 3. And beads at 100 place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to next. Beads at 1's place is 1. Beads at 10's place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And beads at 100 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next. Beads at 10's place, no beads. That means you have to write 0. Beads at 10's place, no beads, 0. Now beads at 100 place. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900. Okay. Now let's do the next question. E. and H. Okay, you also draw the beat, 4 beats fast. Fast. हो सकता है कि बुक में बीट्स कुछ अलग दिए हो, मुझसे अलग हुए हो. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, आप बुक में से भी कर सकते हो. ओके, काउंटिंग बीट्स काउंट करने में हो सकता है कभी कोई सा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि बुक में ना हो और मुझसे गलत बीट ड्रॉ हो गया हो. सो डोंट get confused. Okay, now see, let's solve E. Count the beats. How many beats at one's place? 1 2, so write here 2. Beats at tens place? 1 2 3, so write here 3. Beats at 100 place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 832. Now come to the next question. Question F. So beats at one's place? 1 2 3 4 5. Write here 5. Beats at tens place? No beats, that means you have to write 0. Beats at 100 place is 1, so write here 1. Come to the next question. Beats at one's place? 0. Tens place? 1 2 3 4 5. 100 place? 1 2 3. Next question H. Beats at one's place? 1 2 3. 100 place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And beats at 100 place? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 680. Okay, write fast. And the remaining questions of this question number 1, that is from I to P. From question number I to P, all the questions will be homework for you. Okay, homework question number 1, I to P. Okay, all questions homework, and you have to do this question in your notebook. आपको notebook में ही करना है. Okay, so copy fast. Those who have not copied, you can pause video here. आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करें और अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करें. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम रबिंग द बोर्ड एंड डूइंग द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो जिसका वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करें और कंप्लीट करें. ओके, एंड रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस विल बी होमवर्क फॉर यू. सो डू योर होमवर्क इन योर नोटबुक. आई एम रबिंग द बोर्ड. Now what is the next question? Same abacus is given and beads are given in the abacus. So you have to first count the number of beads and form the number, and here you have to write the number in expanded form and compact form already. So in copy no need to draw the table, हम टेबल नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे, मैं जैसा बोर्ड पे लिखूंगी आपको वैसे ही कंप्लीट करना है, ठीक है? कंप्लीट द टेबल, कंप्लीट द टेबल, ओके? आपको इसमें टेबल नहीं बनाना है. So the first question is A, H, T and O. Already done. So 2, 3, 5. ठीक है? So here you write expanded form, and here you write compact form, okay? So first, what is the number? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 1 2. So what is the number? 235. So writing this number in expanded form, 200 plus 30 plus 5, and writing the compact form, 235. And this way you have to do, okay? Now the next question, B. B, H, T and O. Okay, now count beads at ones place, 1 2 3, bead at tens place, 1 2, and bead at 100 place, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So expanded form of this number is 700 plus 20 plus 3, and compact form of this number is 7 2 3. Copy fast these two questions. And the remaining two questions of this question, number 2 questions are remains. So this will be homework for you. C and D homework है आपके लिए. ये भी आपको नोटबुक में ही करना है. Okay? You can leave space after this question. D के बाद आप 2 क्वेश्चन की आपकी नोटबुक में जगह छोड़ सकते हैं. Okay? Copy fast. You can pause video here. Those students who have not completed the work, आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करें और अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करें. ओके, सो दैट वी कैन मूव फर्दर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करेंगे अभी. जिसका नहीं हुआ है दे कैन पॉज वीडियो. आप यहाँ पे वीडियो पॉज करें और अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करें. ठीक है, सो आई एम रबिंग द बोर्ड एंड राइटिंग द थर्ड क्वेश्चन ऑन द बोर्ड. सो द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, what is the third question? Very simple exercise. What is the third question? Draw the beads on the abacus for the following numbers. Number is given and you have to now draw the beads on the abacus. So write the question. Draw the beads. Draw the beads on the abacus. On the abacus. Okay. For the following numbers. Number is given 5 to 3. B. Next is 273. C. Next is 915 and D. And the remaining question, that is E, F, G, H homework. Okay, or you have to do this in your notebook. Now see how to draw the beads on the abacus if number is given. Now see, starting from ones place number is 3. That means here you have to draw 3 beads. Next tens place number is 2. You have to draw 2 beads. 100 place number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. In the same way we will do rest of the questions also. Ones place digit 3, so 3 beads. Tens place digit 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 place digit 2, 1, 2. Next, ones place digit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens place digit 1. 100 place digit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, ones place digit 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Tens place digit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 place digit 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, you do rest of the questions also. E, F, G and H. Only what you have to do, number is given to us and we have to draw the beads on the abacus for the given numbers. Okay. So here we have completed our self practice exercise 2F and do all the questions, homework questions that I have given you of question 1, question 2 and question number 3, and complete your work, complete your notebook. Those students who have not done the question 3, you can pause video here and complete your work fast. So here we have completed our topic of representing a numbers on abacus using beads, by drawing beads. Now we will continue our next topic, new topic in our next lecture. Till then, good day, have a nice day and do homework and complete your notebook. Okay, bye students.